Hello viewers, apni sabke swagat kuri ase. Mukan aji yade Yimchalu de aigina ase aro yade Third Nagaland Photography Festival hold kuri ase. Yimchalu du kuda ase kwile Mokokchung district pra 18 kilometers away kuigina yade aigina ase. Mukan aro yade 19, 20 aro 21 de Third Nagaland Photography Festival held kuri ase. Dusra time de ushe kwile Photography Club Dimapur kanra dan Dimapur bai hold kuri thakise. Holbi itu sal do Yimchalu de aigina ase aro Yimchalu de ekta location ekla de nohoy holibi tinta charta location de itu program do 3 din de hold krigina jawole ase aji morning bi 7 bajira angling laga tournament kan shuru hui jise aro itu ekla nohoy holibi futsal tournament bi hold kribole ase 1 pm ra itu do aro alag location de hobo moi kan ra abnian ge lui jana dikhabo aro futsal tournament de issue guest of honor do ase Benny M Lamtio junto honorable MLA and chairman DPDP Nokla government of Nagaland laga taiwa ahina itu program do honor kuri dibole ase aro itukla noy holbi moi khan yade whole day event chalu hobole ase moi khan ra abnian ge dikhai dibo aro 5 baji de ushe bole opening ceremony of Third Nagaland Photography Festival hobole ase jun to de ase chief host Shri TN Manan honorable MLA and advisor law and justice and land revenue government of Nagaland to viewers kan sai ragibi moi khan ra abnian ge festival laga program khan update kuri thakibo. तो viewers abnian ba dikhibo pa nishna aji morning bra shuru kuna program khan alag alag jaga de jalu hui ase aro itia mogan yede futsal tournament laga jaga de aina ase aro yede Benny M Lamtiu honorable MLA and chairman DPDP Nokla government of Nagaland taiwa aigina idu futsal tournament laga opening kuri diwole ase taido guest of honor kunai wole ase to iv sai sawaro program la opode.
Today, my good friend Mr. Akok, the President of Football Association, he has highlighted the importance of sports in our day-to-day life. Gone are the days. Pula salde akede hulido amikhan sports to we do it just as a hobby, just to spend our leisure time. But today, with the advancement of time, and with the modernization of the game, football and sports has now become a billion-dollar industry. Sports tibi amikhan manu laga life bonabo para, career bonabo para laga avenues aro options bishi ase. Amikhan as a sportsman, as a team manager, as a team coach, as a team physio, or as a sports journalist, or as a sports analyst, alag career do amikhan sports to pursue kuna jawli barakta dunia ase. Utu bo adi amikhan baba amakhan aro bosti solong targan apnikhan kiman jon aigena ase. Moi apnikhan ga request karbo mon jai ase. Apnar nije bacha khan bi inaga sports team mon dia thakile do don't discourage them. In fact, encourage them to pursue career in sports. Amikhan life bonabo para opportunity sports prabi di thaka dikhi ase aro pai ase aro kurubo pare ase. Aji government of the day under the able leadership and our dynamic chief minister Shri Nefiru Taibra Holibi ekdam sports day mon di thaka dikhi ase. 2 days back 17th of September 2024, at the opening ceremony of the 23rd Dr. D. Ao trophy Twin Sangde, he has announced that Nagaland will start the Nagaland Football League by the month of November. It was our long dream कि American State TV एकटा football league thakigina young footballers kange platform digina tagange professionalism pursue grole karne state league laki ase buna American government ke bishi pursue gunaise. Finally, all thanks to our chief minister, Daiba the proposal accept guna. He has declared it to our Naka people that we are going to start our state football league very soon. Why am I telling you this? Kwan is na today job opportunities are very hard to come by. But when we start that particular league, the Nagaland Football Association, with the support of the government of Nagaland, we are going to provide jobs avenues to 200-300 youths of our state, of which Mokokchung district and Mokokchung youngsters will also be a part of that league. So it is my humble request to my fellow leaders of the district FA कि youngsters kange apni khan mall kurina udu state league dikhiligina age loi jabole karne apni khan bi du rasta dikhabi de guna ekta achi aha karne to request kori dia ase. Now today we are standing here in a small futsal ground. Sawole the chutu, but this small ground can do wonders. Udu chutu jakarba holi bi bishi dangor kam kuro pare de. Now the Nagaland Football Association and as well as the All India Football Federation, we are now taking this game of futsal very seriously. Every year, Amigala State alag district with the approval and with the consent of the Nagaland Football Association, district-wise the American rotation kuri American futsal state championship to Kilina Yasi. Udu futsal state championship di kungun khile ar kun champion by tahando Nagaland represent guna national level di khilewo pathaya ase, where our Naga youngsters are given opportunities to perform, to showcase their skill in futsal. Ina guna takan higher level de chabole kana men opportunity di ase. Udu ba aji adi amar Mokokchung de amar Yimchalo amar Sungal Zila matide yadi kiman jon participate kuri ase. Just don't participate कि अपनी खाली जो प्राइस माने थाकी आसे आमी फर्स्ट प्राइस लोबो गुना उतला भावना दी अपनी खान नाखिली भी होली भी आमी through this futsal, through the platform आजी यादे council गबन लोगें organizing team गन बा अपनी खान की platform दिशे उतो platform दो अपनी खान ला career बनावले life बनावले initial stage आजी भाभी के ना अपनी खान दो मोंडी रखिना with determination अपनी खान खिलना जाबी और आमी बिसास आसे कि अपनी खान acting don district state aro national level dibi apni kan futsal de represent growola opportunity babo or chance dibo. The association, that is the Nagaland Football Association, is always there to support, guide and provide platform to young minds, the young footballers of our state who wants to deliver, who wants to perform and who wants to pursue sports as a career. And that being said, I wish all the 28 participating teams the very best. May the best team win, and as well as to the organizing team, thank you once again.
Earlier, what I understood is like a photography is just throwing or clicking, throwing a line. But now what I understood and what everyone understood is that photography is throwing with mind. That's what I understood. And I really appreciate that. I'm really happy that, we have many female photographers. Even today, I see lots of female photographers. I appreciate that. I request our counterpart, our main friends that whenever you are, whatever profession you are doing, that always like I appreciate that you encourage women also. You always include women also. As we all are living in a very inclusive society, I'm so thankful that you include women as a part of you and including women.
When we go back to history, we find that fishing dates back over 40,000 years ago. Its importance can be found in history books for cultures and empires around the world. Fishing is still a vital part of our lives and our economy today. It is stated that there are 38 million fishermen and fish farmers today. Whether you see it as a sport, profession, or hobby, fishing will continue to be around for centuries to come. Fishing is an activity that crosses all gender, cultural, and economic lines. Whatever the preference, fishing is a sport that has stood the test of time. Fishing is one of the most accessible outdoor sports that anyone, no matter what their age or ability, can participate in. There is a need to venture into the deep of the woods or of mountain to stream. Fishing is more accessible than many people imagine. You can even fish in the heart of a city and still enjoy all the benefit that fishing brings, like today. Fishing and pollution from fishing are the largest contributor to the decline in water quality and greatly interrupt the ecosystem. Overfishing, pollution, and other environmental factors is attributed as the main reasons for reducing the population of fisheries at the same time as the ecosystem were being annihilated. There is a strong argument that anglers can be some of the greatest protector of aquatic environments. Even in they set out to fish for either fun or work.
Over these 3 days, the festival will become a vibrant hub for creative expression, innovation, and connection. We have curated an incredible program featuring workshops, masterclasses, exhibitions, engaging discussions that cater to all levels of photographic expertise. Our festival theme is Capturing Serenity, which reflects the power of photography to express the beauty of our place and people. We are thrilled to showcase the works of talented photographers from around the Northeast, whose lenses capture the diversity, complexity, and beauty of our world.
To each and everyone, and special greetings to all the dignitaries, all the officials and the official entourage, as well as the guests and visitors who have come and who have visited the village, as well as who are still to visit the village, Imjalu village, and be a part of this festival. So our warmest greetings and special greetings to all the dignitaries who have willingly obliged to be part of this festival as chief host, chief guest, or guest of honors, or special guest, and the various artists that will be performing in the festival.
As you all know, photography has become an integral part of our life. In fact, it is a shuttle behind us, in the sense that whatever you do, wherever you go, photography normally follows, and photography never lies. They tell the truth. So this is our shuttle, that's a part of the human life in the modern days. Photography is definitely a very important tools for capturing, preserving memories, telling stories, and also it is a visual culture which can shape our general public opinion, in our perceptions, in our notions, knowledge of art and appreciations. It is definitely sort of a media in which we really capture the images that has shaped our understanding of the events by capturing the scene. If seeing is believing, then photography which presents reality allows us to understand and believe that what was captured in the film is what is happening. So therefore, I'm really proud that this third photography festival is held in my constituency. As Lumzalo President also said that this is the first, but it should not be the last. But the beginning from Lumzalo is a privilege. But I think with the kind of a warning he's given, I think let us all hope that next 3 days, today, tomorrow, after tomorrow, we'll fully enjoy the kind of a festival that we have, and at the same time learn to be a photographers. Thank you for this opportunity, and I wish you all a very, very good festival for the next 3 days. Thank you so much.
Ami khan log itia Yimchalu laga village council chairman ahigina ase tai logot pra ami khan itia pustage kuri lobo itu first time Yimchalu the first time inya festival dangor ekta hold kuri ase abunyan rawi kinya feel kuri ase aro itu organize koina jala de abunyan rawi ki role luise
itu firstly sobke salam chane dia ase aro itu Yimchalu pusti de itia itu 3 days event Nagaland Photography Festival, third photography festival. Iman dangor festival Yimchalu posti di aigina ido iman grand success pra achi start koise ido karne we are very privileged and we are very honored to be the host of this very grand event.
To viewers kan itu tagishe abunyange ani dia laga 19 September day 1 of the third Nagaland Photography Festival 2024. Aro abunyan ba dikhibo para nishna yede opening ceremony de program de chief host tagishi Shri T.N. Manan, Honorable MLA and Advisor, Law and Justice and Land Revenue, Government of Nagaland. Taiwa taila speech de kwanishna naga manuan ge yede photography festival de kun aishe tai khan ge sobke iniga photography workshop kan dia de ahigina abunyan bi learn kuribi kuigina aro learn kurigina itu skills kan the best of the best kan de abunyan ba bi inculcate kurigina use kuribi kuna T.N. Manan ba janai dishe. To abunyan ba dikhibo panchna day 1 of the third Nagaland Photography Festival de angling competition kan bi thagishe aro ituikla noy holibi futsal laga open tournament bi thagishe aro photo exhibition kan aro stalls kan kiki kan program event stalls kan bishi ase day 1 ekla dibi inya exciting events kan thagishe aro itia olop thagigina music extravaganza bi shuru hobo jun de artist kan alag jaga ra ahigina tanbra part lobole ase. Date 20 aro 21 dibi event ase yede Yimchalu de so list viewers kan sobke janai dia ase ki itu third Nagaland Photography Festival de aigina abunyan bi part lugina enjoy kuribi guna janai dia ase. For now, this is Nufu Iyer with video journalist Ari Jinger.